Okay, Mr. Rajan, today
Okay, sir.
we will continue our sixth house.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, in sixth house, we have done getting the job, promotion in the job, change of the
Yes.
job,
Okay.
then winning the litigation, winning the
Okay.
election. Now,
Okay.
we will continue the sixth house and we will check who will win the match as we discussed in the last class.
Okay,
See,
sir.
when there is a match between the two teams, so which team will win the particular
Okay, sir.
match?
Okay, sir.
So checking this, see, this is not will be possible to you answer if somebody asks you who will win the match.
Okay, sir.
So you cannot answer this question because
Okay,
the
sir.
match is between the two teams.
Okay.
And sir, one of the team you will have to represent. Suppose today is the match between India and the Sri Lanka.
Okay.
And all the matches are pre-scheduled.
Okay.
The date and time you know very well. So
Okay.
if somebody asks you, will Sri Lanka win today? Will Sri Lanka win today? It means that particular person is representing the Sri Lanka.
Okay.
So Sri Lanka will be treated as the ascendant. And
Ascendant.
India will be treated as the seventh house.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if somebody asks, will India win today? So India will be represented by the ascendant and Sri Lanka will be
Ascendant,
treated
yes.
as the seventh house.
Seventh house.
Okay,
Yes.
for this, one has to identify, will the
Okay.
particular team win or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay, for that, you take 2 pages like this,
Okay.
left and right.
Okay, sir.
On the left hand side, you write down team A.
Team A. Okay, sir.
On the right hand page, you write down the team B.
Team B. Okay, sir.
Okay, we will take a randomly chart here, and suppose
sir.
somebody asks, and suppose today is a match between India, 2020 match between India and Sri Lanka.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if somebody asks, will Sri Lanka win today's match? So
Okay,
it
sir.
means he is representing his country, Sri Lanka.
Okay, sir.
And the seventh house will be treated as the India.
Okay,
So
sir.
team A will be Sri Lanka, team B will be India.
Okay, sir. For today's study, eh?
Yes.
Sri Lanka, team B is India. Okay, sir.
Sri Lanka will be team A and team B will be the India. Now,
Okay,
sir, you will read 1-6-11 of team A.
Okay, sir.
And similarly, when after rotating the chart from the seventh house, you will check the 1-6-11 of the other team.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Now,
Okay, sir.
these matches are scheduled. Time is fixed. Suppose there is a 2020 match, it will run for maximum for 4 hours.
Okay, sir.
Generally, the match starts at 8 p.m. and it ends up to the mid of the around 12 o'clock. Duration is for approximately 4 hours. Suppose this is a football match, so that will run for the 90 minutes only.
Yes, yes.
Okay, first of all, you will check the promise. Then we will read the dasha and the transit also. How to read it?
Sir.
I'm sharing just a randomly taking chart of this moment.
Okay. Okay, sir.
For this, first of all, the genuineness should appear very strongly. It means the person who is asking the question, moon and its star lord must appear in 6 and 5, etc. Because 5th is the game, 6th is the house of competition.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the chart of this moment. And the question is, will Sri Lanka win today?
Okay.
Now, you will read, first of all, you check the genuineness of this query. Does moon or its star lord appear in 6?
Okay, sir. So now moon is...
moon. Yes, moon is appearing in 6.
Moon is appearing in 6, yes.
Okay, and moon star is Jupiter, that is not appearing. Oh, that is sufficient. This is just an example.
Okay.
Okay. Now, sir, you will read as a team A on left hand page.
Okay, sir.
Read out what will be the linkages for it? Kindly write down A arrow BCD. A arrow BCD.
Okay, sir.
A is 1, 6, and 11 subsubplot.
A is 1, 6, 11 subsubplot. Okay, sir.
Okay. Involving 6.
Involving 6.
Committing to 11.
Okay, sir.
Finally, confirmation to 1 or 6 or 11 or all the three.
Okay, sir.
Then involving 6 committing to 1.
Okay, sir.
Then involving 6 committing to 1 and 11.
Okay, sir.
Then involving 6 and committing to 1, 6, 11.
Sir.
Then involving 11 committing to 6. This is the indirect relation. Then involving involving 11 and committing to 1 and 6.
Okay, sir.
So these 5 linkages are to of winning the election or winning the match.
Oh, okay, sir.
Next one, involving 6 committing to 5. You will lose it.
Yes.
Involving 6 committing to 5 and 12, you will lose it.
Yes, sir.
If such linkage is establishes, a person will lose the match.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the left hand page, sir, read the potential of ascendant subsubplot, which is Venus.
Okay, sir. Ascendant subsubplot is Venus. Okay, sir. Ascendant subsubplot is Venus. Venus is in the star of
Moon.
Venus is in the star Moon, sub of Jupiter.
Dash Jupiter, dash Moon.
Okay. Moon is Venus positional status in 6.
Okay, Moon. Moon is having a stellar status, so it is appearing in 6. So there is the involvement of the 6th house.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, check if the Venus is having PS or not.
Yes, yes, PS got
now
6.
Form the habit to read the source planet also.
Yes, yes, 6.
So Venus is appearing in 6 and 6. 11 also.
Yes, sir.
See, Venus is very strongly appearing in 6.
Yes, sir.
Because it is resident of the 6th. See, yes. Venus is resident of the 6th house. This is 6th house. Yes. Okay?
Yes.
So now you club Venus and Moon.
Yes, sir.
It means there is a strong involvement of 6 and 11.
6 and 11, yes, sir.
Okay. Now Venus is in the sub of Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Now Jupiter somewhere should appear in 6 or 11 for winning. Jupiter is nowhere. Check. Jupiter is nowhere appearing in 6 or 11.
And Jupiter, it is.
And Jupiter is also not there in 5 or 12.
6 status.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, Jupiter is nowhere appearing in 6 or 11 and also not appearing in 5 and 12.
Okay, sir.
Jupiter is appearing in 1.
Yes.
It is the residence of the ascendant with the positional status.
Yes.
It means involving 6 and 11 committing to 1 means the success to the ascendant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Jupiter is also appearing in first cuspal position as a sign lord.
Okay, sir.
Now Venus is finally in the sub of
Moon.
Moon is there in 6.
Yes, sir.
And see, Moon is not in 5.
Moon is not in 5, yes, sir.
Okay, but Moon is there in 12.
In 12, yes.
Write down.
Yes, sir.
Moon is there in 1 also.
Yes.
What do you say, sir? What does this linkage indicate?
Success.
Success. Okay. Yes. Moon's appearance in 12 means a position.
Yes.
Okay. Because it is the house of 7th position from the 6th. Now, sir, similarly, you read Rahu, the sixth house sub-sublord.
So one question,
Rahu.
sir, before I go to the Rahu, I just wanted to check. Let's say now Jupiter, now Moon is in the, I mean Venus is in the star of Moon and sub of Jupiter. So involvement is 611 at involvement level, and at commitment level is committed to 1. Okay, so this shows success.
Definitely. See,
yes.
There is no 6 and no 11.
Yes.
And there is no 5 and 12 also.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So
first,
my question.
It means ascendant sub-sublord has involved the 6 and 11 and committed to 1. Involving 11, committing to 1 means his desire will be fulfilled.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Involving 6, the house of competition, and committing to 1 means to get the success from the competition.
Okay, sir. So this one I understand, sir. So just in case, let's say a scenario, Jupiter is in 1 along with 5. Example.
Then, sir, it will be a tough fight.
But still a victory.
There is a denial of the 6th house, the Mool, the primary cause.
Yes.
And then the final confirmation planet will decide.
Oh.
If it appears in 5, so it means it is going to lose it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that means if let's say at sub level is 1 and 5, but at sub level indicates 6, that means winning.
Ultimately he will win. The ascendant will win.
Okay. Okay, sir. Let me write down, sir.
Definitely.
Okay, sir. I done.
Now, sir, so now we read the primary sub-sublord, which is Rahu.
Yes, sir.
Now it is Rahu, so you will have to read 3 planets.
Yes, sir. So Rahu, as Rahu is in Mars, Venus, Ketu sub.
Okay.
Oblique.
Rahu is in Mars star.
Yes, sir.
And Venus sub and Ketu sub.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read, sir. Does Mars appear in 6 or 11?
Yes, sir. Let me check, sir. Mars is not in 6. Mars is not in 11.
So Mars is nowhere appearing in 6 or 11, or not in 1 even.
Yes, correct.
So see, Mars is there in 5. It means the sixth house has gone into the 5th, the 12th from it. Like this is a primary curse.
Okay, sir.
You leave it. Now read Rahu as a Mercury.
Sir, Rahu as Mercury, sir. Mercury is in the star of Rahu again. Rahu oblique Mercury oblique Mars.
Okay.
Then Mercury is in the sub of Saturn, sub of Venus.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Now, sir, Mercury is in Rahu star. You check Rahu in 6 or 11 or.
Okay. Rahu is Mercury in Rahu star. Okay, Rahu is not in Rahu in 6.
Okay.
Rahu is in 11.
Okay. So there is a relevant involvement of 6 and 11.
Yes, sir.
Now Rahu has to offer the result of Mercury also.
Yes, sir.
Check Mercury in 6 and 11.
It's not there, sir.
It is not there. But see, Mercury is appearing in 5.
Yes, sir.
And you are studying the primary cause, 6th.
Yes, sir.
And 6th house sub-sublord has made a relation with the 5th house. It has involved the 5th.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so definitely the strength of the sub-sublord of 6th house will get down. Because it has directly involved the 12th from it.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, when you read the primary cusp, you always check its detrimental position also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now, sir, Rahu has to offer the result of Mars, and Mars you have already seen it is appearing nowhere.
Mars. Okay, yes.
Now, sir, the sixth house subsublord Mercury has involved 6 and 11. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, sir,
Minute,
Mercury
sir.
is in the sub of,
Saturn.
check Saturn in 6, 11, then in 5 and 12 also.
Okay, sir. 6, it is not there. 11, yes.
11, it is
Then,
appearing very strongly.
Yes, sir.
Write down
5
11,
is-
and
Okay, sir.
Saturn is also appearing in 12, not in
And
5.
12. Yes, sir. 12, 5.
Okay, sir. So,
Okay,
involving 6 and 11, committing to 11, this is a very good linkage.
Okay, sir.
Involving 6 and committing to 12 means it is obstructing.
Yes, sir.
Now, final confirmation planet will decide.
Yes, sir. Okay, Venus is in 6 and 11, sir.
6, 11, and 1
5 also.
and 5 and 12.
then, and 12, yes, sir.
Okay, it means this is not totally in favor of Sri Lanka. The opposite team is equally strong
Okay, sir.
because 5 and 12 is appearing at the sub level along with 6 and 11.
Okay, sir.
So Rahu as a Mercury is becoming the significator of both the houses,
Yeah, neutral, sir.
winning and losing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
read
Mars.
Mars as the sub-lord of the 6th house.
Okay, sir. Mars is in the star of Saturn.
Mars is in Saturn star, Rahu sub and Rahu sub.
Yes, sir. Mercury. Rahu, big Mercury, and big Mars. Saturn, big five, big seven. Okay. Saturn is in not in 6, but it is in 11.
Saturn you have already
And-
seen, it is appearing
Yes.
very strongly in 11.
Yes, in
So
12.
there is the
also.
involvement of 11 and commitment is with 6 and 11, very strong.
Yes, sir.
Because Rahu is appearing in 6 and 11.
Oh.
So
Sir,
what do you say, sir?
Sir, for involvement, sir,
Hmm.
detrimental house is 5 and 12, right?
See, sir, there is the involvement of 11th house, not of the 6th house.
12
Okay.
or not considered?
No. When see, through 11th house, the indirect relation establishes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, involving 11 and committing to 6 and 11, this is a beautiful linkages for winning.
Okay, sir.
So in totality, the 6th house favors the team A.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, Rahu as a Rahu is not becoming significator, but Rahu as a Mercury is plus minus.
Oh,
And Rahu as a Mars is very strongly linking with the 6 and 11 of the team A.
Sir, sorry, sir, but Mars is also in because Mars. Oh, Mars no, don't have. Yes. Okay. Understand, sir. Correct.
Okay.
Sir.
Now, sir,
Okay.
you go and read the sub-lord of 11th house.
Okay, sir. 11 sub-lord is Saturn.
11 sub-lord is Saturn.
Lord is Saturn.
Okay.
Saturn is in the star of Sun.
Sub of Mercury.
Mercury, and then it is Mercury again.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So Saturn, no PS, so we consider Sun. Sun is in 6, no. Sun is in 11, yes.
Write down 11. So there is
Yes,
an involvement
sir.
of 11th house.
Yes, sir.
Now it is
And
in the
then-
sub of Mercury.
Mercury, yes, sir. So
Mercury is, check.
Mercury is in not in 6, Not in 11. Okay, sir. And then
Not in 1 also.
Yes, sir. Not in 1.
Okay. See,
Okay.
Mercury is there in 5.
Yes, sir.
Involving 11, committing to 5, and finally conform to 5.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean, sir?
That
See,
means,
5th is the house of, it is the house, 11th house for the team B.
yes, sir.
Involving 11 of this team, committing to 11 of that team.
Okay, sir.
This type of relation has been established here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the first time we are looking here. Okay, you keep in mind, no problem.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
I am rotating this chart from the 7th house.
Okay, sir. So before we go to the team B, sir, I wanted to reconfirm. Just now, sir was telling for the price means we must also at the involvement level, we also must take the detrimental, that is 5th house, is it?
No, sir, not at involvement level we are taking. There is the involvement of the 6th house or 11th house by Sun. Mercury.
No, sir. I'm talking about the 6 subplot. Sorry, sir.
When you read the primary cusp, you should check it also.
Okay, sir.
It is only
5.
It is only yes. It is only you will check for the primary cusp.
Yes, that means only the 5th only, sir.
Preferably 5th, the 12th.
12th not necessary.
You can check it if it is there, so it will get more strong in the negative sense.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Well, I rotate this chart from the 7th house.
Okay, sir.
Now, sir, see, I am rotating it from the 7th. So this will become the ascendant of the team B. On the right hand side paper, you will read it.
Yes. Okay, sir. So ascendant. So
Sub-lord is Mercury.
Ascendant sub-lord is Mercury. Yes, sir.
Mercury is in Rahu star.
1 minute, sir. Mercury, it is in Rahu star. Rahu is agent for Mercury and Mars. Yes, sir. Then it is in the Mercury is in the sub of Saturn and sub of Venus.
Okay.
So Mercury has PS. So it is appearing in 6 no.
First of all, you check. Okay, Rahu. Does Rahu appear in 6 or 11?
Okay, sir. Rahu is it is not 6. It is not 11.
Okay. Now Rahu represents Mercury. Now you check Mercury in 6 or 11.
Yes, sir. It's 11.
Okay, write down 11.
Yes,
it means there is the involvement of 11th house.
Yes, sir.
And Rahu represents Mars also.
Yes, sir.
You check Mars in 6 or 11.
Mars is in 6 and Mars is in 6, yes. Mars is in 6 and 11, sir.
Okay, in both houses 6 and 11 it means Mercury has involved 6 and 11.
Yes, sir.
Now Mercury is in the sub of
Saturn.
Check so Saturn in 6 and 11.
6. Yes, sir. It is in 6.
Okay. Not in 11.
11.
Now check the detrimental house.
Okay, detrimental is 5.
Okay.
Which is, yes, it is in 5.
Not in 12.
Not in 12.
And see, in 5th house, it is stronger. Because it is appearing as the sub level.
Yes, sir. Correct.
And in the 6th house, it is at the star level, weaker level.
Yes.
So you get the result strongly of the 5th house.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now Mercury is finally in the sub of
Venus.
Check Venus in 6, 11, 5, 12, etc.
Venus is in 6.
See, Venus is
strongly.
there in 6 very strongly, and Venus is
Yes,
there in
sir.
11
Yes, sir.
and 1 also.
Yes.
Write down.
Okay, sir.
Check
And then
Venus in 5 and 12
Venus is also in 5, but very
and 12.
weak.
Okay,
And,
so
and
in 12 also very weak.
yes, sir.
So what do you say? The ascendant sub-sublord Mercury is giving impression that ascendant is stronger than the 7th house sub-sublord. Ascendant is stronger than the ascendant of team B is stronger than the
Yes, A.
huh.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Similarly, read sub-sublord of 6th house Venus.
Sub-sublord is Venus. Okay, sir. Venus is in the star of Moon,
Sub of
Jupiter,
Jupiter
and
and
sub-sub of
sub of
Moon.
Jupiter, a sub of Moon. Okay, and Venus is having positional status also.
Yes, sir. Venus, yes, positional status. It is in 12. So, okay, then it is in 6. Venus is in 6. Moon is also in 6. Moon is in 6. Moon is not in, well, Venus is in 11. Venus is in 11. Venus is also in 6.
So you club
So
Venus and
11,
Moon. So there is the
11,
involvement of
11 and 6.
yeah, very good. Now it is being committed by the Jupiter.
Now is by Jupiter.
Check
Jupiter
Jupiter in
is
6 or 11 and 5 and 12.
Jupiter is in 6. No. It is in 11. No. It is in 5. No. It is in 12. No.
Okay. So, sir, what do you say? There is no commitment with any of the relevant house, either favorable or unfavorable.
Yes, sir.
And see, Jupiter is also not appearing in 1.
Yes, sir.
What do you do now? Sir, see, Jupiter is appearing in 4. So when such condition arises, you can take the supporting cusp like if Jupiter is appearing in 4, it is supporting the involvement of 6th house.
Okay.
It is a supporting house to the 6th house.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Venus is in Moon star and Moon is involving 6. There is the involvement
Yes,
of 6
sir.
very strongly. And
Yes, sir.
and at the commitment level, it is not committing to 1 or 6 or 11 or neither 5 or 12.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter is appearing in 4. This is a favorable house to the 6th house.
Yes, sir.
Because it is a favorable position.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
In such conditions, you will apply this.
Okay, sir.
It will support the 6th house. It will not deny.
Yes, sir.
And finally, Venus is in the sub of
6 and 12.
Finally, Venus is in the sub of Moon.
In the sub of Moon, yes, it is representing.
Moon is appearing in 6
and 12.
and 12 also. Okay.
Yes. Okay,
So,
sir.
what do you say the 6th about the 6th house?
It supports, sir.
Yes. Now go and read the 11th house sub-sublord.
Okay, sir. One question, sir. If, let's say, at the sub-level Jupiter, now in this case Jupiter, there's no, it is not in any of the 12 houses.
Okay, sir. No, somewhere it will be appearing. At least 2 at least because it has got 2 signs, 9 and 12. At least at 2 places it will appear.
Okay.
It is not possible that it will not appear at all.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good.
Okay.
11, sir. Okay, sir. 11 sub-sublord is Mercury. Mercury is same as ascendant.
Yes.
Same as ascendant. So it shows victory, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, learn the art of comparing between the 2 planets. See, Mr. Rajan? Hello? Are you listening me? Hello? Hello? Now, sir, what you were telling? Now, sir, you have got potential of both the teams.
Yes, sir.
And now you compare one by one, ascendant of team A with the ascendant of team B.
Okay, sir.
The sixth house of team A, sixth house of team B.
Okay, sir.
And 11th house, the potential of 11th house of team A and potential of 11th house of team C, team B.
Okay,
now you
sir.
learn this art of comparing.
Okay, sir. So ascendant for team A, ascendant okay, supports team A.
Mm-hmm.
6 sublot of ascendant of team B also supports.
Yes.
Okay, then we go to a 6 sublot. Ascendant 6 sublot is also okay,
Mm-hmm.
but it's slightly weak. And then 6 sublot for team B is okay.
Team B, the sixth house of team B looks to be the stronger than the team A.
Yes.
Okay. And what about 11th?
And then the 11 subsublot of team A is not winning.
Mm-hmm.
But 11 subsub of team B shows winning.
Yes.
Team B is favored to win.
It means the potential of team B seems to be the stronger than the team A.
Okay, sir.
See, when the match held, it means both the teams are equally strong.
Okay, sir.
See, sometimes you have seen the game decides in the last over.
Yes, yes.
Or sometime in the last ball of the play.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so potential we have studied, it is slightly stronger of the team B.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, you learn the art of timing it.
Okay.
See, you know the match is played for a limited time.
Okay, sir.
Suppose it starts at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, sir.
And it ends at the 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Because the duration of match of 20 hour is hardly 1.5 hour. It is around 90 to 100 minutes of each.
Okay, sir.
And with the break of whatever it is, half an hour.
Okay.
So I'm sharing a chart here again.
Okay, sir.
Now we will go and check. See, we'll go to the view. We'll open the transit chart here. Okay?
Cannot see the chart, sir.
Okay, it has not been shared. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose today is the day of match.
Yes, sir.
I will write down today is 10th of July 2020.
Yes, sir.
I will press the button show dasha. Kindly check. Jupiter, Venus, Rahu, Mercury and Mercury. Mercury will be the Sukshma and Mercury will be the Prana up to 12th of July.
1 minute, sir. I take a photo.
It means up to 12th of July, the controlling planet will be Mercury.
Okay, sir.
Today is 10th. It means the match is going to be played today evening from 7 to 11.
Yes, sir.
And the dasha at the prana and sukshma level does not change. It remains Mercury.
Yes, sir.
It means Mercury will be the controlling planet here.
Okay.
Now write down. Then we
Okay, sir.
will go to view, sir. See,
Okay.
we'll go to view, we'll open the transit chart.
Okay, sir.
Here we will fill up the date 10th of July 2020, 1900 hours at the starting of the game.
Okay, sir.
Again, we will fill up 10th of July 2020 at 23 hours, means at the ending of the game.
1 minute, sir. 10th of July.
10th of July 2020 at 1900.
Okay.
This is
And
the
then-
time of the starting of the game.
Yes, sir.
And 10th July at 23 hours, this is the ending time of the game.
Okay, sir.
See, I will calculate the first, the starting date, starting time.
Okay. Okay,
You
sir.
see, moon is in Jupiter star.
Yes, sir.
And see, moon remains in the star, shows the Dasha Lord.
Yes, sir.
Moon's star Lord decides the Dasha. It means Jupiter Dasha is there, Venus Bhukti,
Yes.
and Saturn Antra. So now you read this Dasha as a 24-hour Dasha, because match is not going to play for many years. It has to end today only, within the span of 4 hours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you note down at the starting of the moon is
Yes,
the
sir.
Jupiter star, Venus sub and Saturn sub.
Yes, sir.
Now at the end of the date, end of the match, you check the Dasha also. Again the
Okay,
star lord
sir.
is moon. Oh sorry, star lord is Jupiter, moon and Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you noted down?
1 minute, sir. Jupiter.
Moon and Saturn.
Yes, sir. Moon and Saturn.
Okay, sir. Now I'm closing down it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this chart is rotated from the first house.
Okay, sir.
Okay, team A. Now
Okay.
you have to check what the Dasha Lord is giving. Dasha
Okay,
Lord
sir.
is Jupiter.
Yes, sir.
You check the Jupiter of team A as well as check the Jupiter of team B.
Okay, sir.
See, on the left hand side, you write down Jupiter
Yes, sir.
in the star of Sun,
The star of Sun
dash Mars, dash Jupiter.
dash Jupiter.
Okay? Now
Okay,
here,
sir.
sir, you read it. What is the potential?
Okay, sir. Jupiter is in the star of Sun, so Sun is not in 6,
Hmm.
not in. It is in 11.
Okay.
Mars is
Not in 1, 6 or
No.
11.
yes, sir.
Nowhere.
Yes, sir.
It means
But-
involving 11 and Mars is appearing
Yeah.
in 5
Yes, sir. 5.
and 12.
5. Yes, sir. 5 and
Write
12.
down 5 and 12.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Finally, it is in the sub of Jupiter.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter
is-
is nowhere appearing. Yes, Jupiter is appearing in 1. Write down 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
I am rotating the chart from the 7th house. You will read the Jupiter.
Okay, sir.
On the right hand side, you read the promise of Jupiter.
Okay, sir.
Sun, Mars,
Okay.
Jupiter.
Sun, Mars, Jupiter. Okay, sir. So Sun, it is in. It is not in 6. It is not in 11.
Okay.
It is not in 1 also.
Sir, it is appearing in 1. If 6 and 11 is not there, you can take the 1 also. Sun is the resident of the first house.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
If 6 and 11, which is the more relevant, that is not appearing, so you should take this. So involving
Okay.
1, if it commits to 6 and 11, so it will give a good result.
Okay, sir. So
Jupiter
Mars
is in the
is
sub of
in,
Mars.
yes, Mars is in 6.
1, 6 and
Mars
11,
is-
all the 3 houses.
Yes, sir.
Sir, involving 1 committing to 1, 6, 11. This is a very good
Yes.
linkage.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter is finally in the subsub of Jupiter. That is appearing in
Jupiter, it is
4.
not in 6.
And
4.
it is appearing in 10 also. 10 means status.
Okay, sir.
But it is nowhere appearing in any of the relevant. You can take the 10th house, no problem.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now, again, I'm rotating it from the first house. You
Okay,
will read the Saturn. Jupiter, Moon was in Saturn's sub.
Yes, sir.
Now read Saturn for both. Sir, you just noted down at the starting
Okay.
of the match, you noted down the
Yeah.
position of Moon. Moon was in Jupiter
Yes.
star.
Yes,
And
Jupiter
which sub?
star.
It is in the sub of Saturn.
Yes, yes, Saturn. Yeah, correct.
And it is in the sub of?
No, Moon was in sub of Bukti is Venus.
See, okay. Let me open it. See, at the starting of the year, Moon was in Jupiter, and yes, it is in the Venus. Now read Venus.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Venus.
With respect to us, first on the left hand side,
Okay.
you will write it.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Venus is in Moon.
Moon, Jupiter, Moon.
Yes, sir.
And Venus is having positional status also.
Yes, sir.
Venus is very strongly placed in the 6 and 11. It is appearing.
Okay, sir. 6, 11.
Write down Venus below the
Yes.
Venus 6 and 11.
Yes, sir.
It is having positional status.
Yes, sir.
Venus is in Moon star. Moon is appearing
Yes,
in
sir.
6. So you club Moon and Venus.
Yes, sir.
So there
6,
is the
11.
involvement of 6 and 11.
Okay, sir.
Venus is in the sub of Jupiter.
Jupiter, yes, sir.
It is appearing in 1.
Jupiter. Yes, sir. 1.
Venus is finally in the sub of Moon. That is appearing in 6 and 12 both.
6. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you read the promise from the 7th house, team B.
Okay, sir. So,
on the right hand side, you write down the potential of Venus.
Yes, sir.
The Bhukti Lord.
Yes, sir. Moon, Jupiter, Moon. Okay,
Moon,
sir.
Jupiter. Venus is in Moon, Jupiter, Moon.
Yes, sir.
And Venus is having positional status.
Status, yes. Okay, sir. So Venus is not in, it is in 6.
And 11 also.
Yes, it's in 11. Moon is in
6.
6 also.
So there is the involvement of 6 and 11.
Yes, sir.
It is in the sub of Jupiter.
Yes, sir. Jupiter is not in 6. Jupiter, it is not in 11. Okay, but Jupiter, it is in
4. Because involving 6 committing to 4 means this is a favorable position.
Yes, yes.
And Venus is finally in the sub of Moon.
Yes, sir.
Moon is there in 6.
Yes, sir. 6.
And 12 also.
Okay, yes, sir.
So you have studied the Bhukti Lord Venus for both the teams.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to read the Antara Lord. Antara Lord is Saturn.
Is Saturn. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will rotate it from the first house now. It is rotated from the first house.
Okay, sir.
On the left hand side, you write down Saturn.
Okay, sir. Saturn is Sun, Mercury. Okay, sir. So Saturn, okay, Sun.
Sun is appearing in 11.
Sun is appearing in 11, yes, sir.
And Mercury is nowhere appearing in 6 or 11 or 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
so,
but Mercury is appearing in 5.
In 4. Mercury appearing in 5. And Mercury in 12. Okay, sir. So Mercury in 5.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Then we go to team B.
Yes.
Saturn, we go to
Wait.
Sun.
Now I have rotated the chart. Saturn is in
sir.
Sun, Mercury, Mercury.
Yes, sir. Sun, Mercury, Mercury.
Sun
Yes,
is
sir.
not in 6, not in 11.
Yes, sir.
But it is in a 1, ascendant.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Saturn is in the sub of Mercury.
Saturn is in the sub of Mercury. Yes,
Mercury is not in 6, but it is appearing in 11 and 1 very strongly.
Yes, sir. 11 and 1.
So it is favoring it.
Yes.
Similarly, you check the Sukshma and Prana Lord Mercury, which is going to remain there.
Okay, sir. So Mercury is in the Rahu.
Wait. On the left hand side, you write down Mercury.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mercury is in the Rahu, Saturn, Sun, Venus, Sun. Yes, sir. So Mercury has positional status. So it is in 6, no. It is in 11, no. Okay.
Mercury is in Rahu star. Rahu is appearing in 6 and 11.
Yes, sir. 6, 11.
Mercury is nowhere appearing in 6 or 11.
Yes, sir.
And Mars is also not appearing. It means through Rahu, there is the involvement of 6 and 11.
6 and 11, yes.
Now it is in the sub of Saturn.
Saturn, yes, sir.
Saturn is there in 5.
Yes, sir. Saturn, it is in 5.
Saturn is not there in 5, not in 6, but it is appearing in 11.
Yes, sir. 11, yes.
This is a good linkage.
Okay.
And finally, in the sub of Venus.
Venus is in 6.
Okay. And 11 very weak.
8. Yes, sir.
And Venus is there in 5 and 12 very strong.
Okay.
So Mercury will be giving a negative effect to the team A.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Because Venus
Yes,
is strong for the team. Now I am rotating this from the 7th house. Similarly, you read Mercury on the right hand.
Yes, sir. Mercury. Mercury is in the star Rahu. Mercury, Mars, Saturn, and Venus. Okay, sir. So Rahu.
Rahu is not in 6 or 11.
Yes, sir. Not in 6 or
but
11.
Rahu as a Mercury is appearing in 11. There is the involvement of 11 house.
Yes, sir.
It is in the sub of Saturn.
Mars also in 6th. Mercury is in the Rahu, oblique Mercury, Mars.
So Mercury is appearing in 11.
Yeah, Mars is in 6th.
Mars is there in 6, write down. And 11.
So 11.
And
11, 6. Okay, sir.
Okay. So there is the strong involvement of 6 and 11.
Yes, sir.
And the commitment is with the Saturn.
Saturn
is appearing in 6.
Yes, sir.
But 5 also.
Yes, sir.
Both types of linkages are there. Now final confirmation planet will decide.
Yes, sir. Venus is
in 6 and 11 strongly because it is the sub lord of the 6.
Yes, sir.
And Venus is there in 5 and 12.
Yes, sir.
It is weak there.
Yes, sir.
So what do you say?
Team Mercury is favorable to team B.
Mercury is favorable to the team B.
Yes,
so
sir.
Ultimately, who is going to win? The promise is slightly stronger of the team B, and Dasha is favoring, and the transit is also favoring it.
Yes, sir.
So the chances are very much there that team B is going to win it.
Yes, sir.
With the little of margin, because opposition is also there. If such oppositions appears here, so the game will be very tough.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rajan, this is the way.
Okay, sir.
Okay, before taking the horary from somebody, or if you want to assess yourself, you can take
Yes,
a
sir.
randomly chart or randomly
Okay.
number, or you can take a number from yourself only. But the urge should be
sir.
there very strongly. And this is the way you will assess.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
Okay, sir. No, sir. I have to
Any
study.
question you want to ask?
So far, okay, sir. I think I have to sit down and type it out there. I can understand better.
Okay, one thing I tell you, yes, you must do it. Must do it. And sir, now our sixth house, we have continue it in the next class.
Okay, sir.
And we will study the disease.
Okay, sir.
That part is left because sixth house is very long.
Okay, sir.
See, when we took the sixth house for the job, we connected 2 and 10, 11 with the 6.
Yes, sir.
When we studied litigation and the winning match, 6, 11 and 1 along with 5 and 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so like this, when we study the disease, along with the 6th, 8th and 12th will be added on it.
Okay, sir.
5 and 11 for the recovery will be added.
Okay.
Okay, so in the next class, we will do the study of disease, how to assess the disease in cuspal interlink astrology.
Okay, sir.
And if any point is in your mind to ask about the sixth house, you can ask. You can bring you can bring the problem in the next class.
Okay, sir.
We will try to find out. We will find to sort out, or any other aspect related to the 6, 10, 11, 2, 5, etc. We will discuss. We can discuss. There is no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. See you in the next.
One more request, sir. Sir, from next week, can we start the class 1 hour later?
1 hour later, sir.
That means
I am already having a class at 7 to 8.
Oh, 7 to 8. Okay, okay.
And 8 to 9 is already there.
Okay.
So it will be little difficult for you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Earlier it can be done between 4 to 5 or 5 to 6.
Oh no, sir. Because now because of the MCO just completed finish.
Okay.
So we will be starting back to normal work.
Okay.
So maybe it's okay. I still can make it by 7:30. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.